Are you looking for the best kitchen compost bins in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best kitchen compost bins. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the BelleMark Kitchen Compost Bin. One of the reasons we buy a compost bin rather than just use a bucket is aesthetics. And when it comes to attractive design and quality craftsmanship, the BelleMark Kitchen Compost Bin definitely fits the bill. A beautifully crafted acacia wood box holds a stainless steel insert to place your kitchen waste. The large lid makes it easy to scrape your scraps off the cutting board right into the bin. Plus, at 1.6 gallons capacity, you don't have to empty it as often as our budget pick. An easy-to-open lid means you are likely to use your compost bin more. When it's time to empty the contents, you remove the stainless steel insert and dump your organic waste. The unit doesn't have a handle, so you might want to buy some compostable bags to carry the scraps to the outdoor composter. Either way, cleanup is a breeze as the stainless steel insert is dishwasher safe. Aside from the steep price, this compost bin is not recommended for homeowners who already have a cramped countertop. Unlike our budget and best compost bin choices, this unit uses horizontal space to hold kitchen scraps. Moving on at number 4, we have the Tiyafuro Mountable Kitchen Compost Bin. This compost bin's biggest strength is its installment versatility. It can be mounted to a wall, hung off a cupboard door, or even placed on a flat surface. Its lid opens 2 ways and has a scraper that makes it possible to slide all your waste into the bin without touching the waste. It can hold 2.4 gallons, is available in 3 colors, and comes with 20 trash bags and the necessary mounting accessories. Their after-sales service is fantastic too, lending you a hand up to 18 months after your purchase, with a 100% refund available if it doesn't work out. This is great for those who move their compost bin often while they're working in the kitchen. At number 3, we have the Epica Stainless Steel Compost Bin. It's unexpected, but this bin has been featured on Bon Appetit and Forbes, for good reason. This stainless steel compost bin is designed with an odor-controlling charcoal filter and is made as a seamless cylindrical construction using high-grade rust-resistant steel. This means it lacks any welded spots that are vulnerable to rusting. It can comfortably hold 1.3 gallons of compost and has a tight-fitting ventilated lid with a double-ply charcoal filtration design, helping trap unpleasant odors within. It's also dishwasher safe, making it easy to clean between uses. This could be the one for people who needs a simple and sleek kitchen compost bin that won't rust easily. At number 2, we have the Elever Compost Bin. Mix function and style with this odorless Nordic-style countertop compost bin. Made with a quality carbon steel shell and a removable inner compost bucket, it makes the compost experience easier by lessening the components that need washing. The inner bucket also lessens plastic usage, since it holds and transfers all the organic waste and can be cleaned in the dishwasher. To manage the odor, it comes with 2 activated charcoal filters that are clipped onto the ventilated lid, to help trap any stink inside. The bin design also helps regulate interior temperatures, can hold a gallon of scraps, and comes in 2 colors. Anyone with limited storage space and a stylish kitchen area would see the value in this Nordic composter. And finally at number 1, we have the new OXO Good Grips Easy Clean Compost Bin. This simple compost bin, which comes in 4 colors, is designed for easy cleaning and storage. It has a sleek box shape and smooth interiors for an effortless wash experience between uses and has a removable soft close lid for convenience. The lid design also manages odor and pest levels, which is important if you choose to keep it on the counter. Its cover also helps hold the plastic lining in place and has a convenient handle for fuss-free transport. This 1.75-gallon bin helps keep waste dry and is great for freezer and fridge storage, to eliminate any potential odors and keeping your freezer's contents safe. This would be fantastic for anyone who loves the idea of composting, but wants to avoid any chance of foul odors. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.